Hello everybody. Today's video is all about turning all of this, into this. Okay, our ingredient list. I have green curry paste. I use about 4 ounces, usually because the smaller cans that you usually use come in 4-ounce size. I have some Japanese dried chilies. You can use Thai chilies or pretty much any kind of pepper that you like. How much you use depends on how spicy you like it. I have coconut milk. I've got about a tablespoon of garlic, 2 or 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, a bowl of green beans. Now I cheated. I used frozen green beans. You can use whatever type of vegetables you like and have on hand. And then finally I have 3 jumbo quail that have been parted out. I've turned my burner up to a medium to medium-high heat. I'm adding just a little bit of sesame oil to this. And once the sesame oil heats up, I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic and stir until fragrant. I'm going to wait now. I'll be right back when the oil has heated up. Okay, the curry paste and the garlic is all nice and aromatic. So now it is time to add the quail. Let this cook. Once the quail is done, I will add a little bit of water and add my vegetables and the peppers. I will be back when it is time to add the other ingredients. Almost forgot one important ingredient, the nampla or fish sauce. Gotta add that to it. There we go. Now I'll be back when it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I've added a bit of water to help everything cook. Still not time to add everything else to it. I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the quail is nice and tender, and then we'll start adding the other ingredients. Okay, the quail is cooked, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the peppers. The peppers are optional. I'm not using nearly as many peppers as, say, for authentic Thai, because I do like some heat, but not that much heat. And I'm going to go ahead and add the green beans. Like I said, I cheated. I used frozen green beans. Normally I would also add a bit of carrot, spinach, anything that you have on hand that you want to add can make a nice, flavorful curry. I'm going to get this all cooked, and the very last thing I'm going to add will be the coconut milk. And that one will be done probably in about another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. Okay, everything's nicely cooked. Now for the last bit, add the coconut milk right before serving. You don't want it to get overcooked. You don't want it to curdle. So, I'm going to mix this up and plate it up, and then we will show you the results, and then I'm going to enjoy eating it. Okay, and here it is, all plated up over rice, or bowled up over rice, and this is curry a la MerriQuail, Thai curry a la MerriQuail, and hope you enjoyed.